Good morning, class 3. Welcome back to the online computer class. Today, in this class, we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 4, the internet and introduction. In this class, we will learn about internet, uses of internet, advantages of internet, and disadvantages of internet. Kids, as we know, the internet is an increasingly important part of our everyday life. Okay, so the internet is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. Kids, other electronic devices includes mobile phones, tab. Nowadays, you can operate internet through your smart TVs also. Okay, kids, in order to connect to the internet, you must have access to an internet service provider, that is in short ISP, which acts as the middleman with which acts as the middleman between you and the internet. Kids, when you connect to the internet using suppose any Wi-Fi signal, okay, the Wi-Fi router is still connected to an ISP that provides internet access. Even kids, cellular data tower, that is mobile network towers such as Airtel, Jio, Idea, others, they are also connected to an internet service provider to provide connected devices with access to the internet. Kids, the internet contains billions of web pages. Later in this chapter, we will also discuss about web pages, which are created by people and companies from any corner of the world, which makes the place limitless and locate information and entertainment. Kids, we often synonym, that is we understand world wide web as internet. That is wrong. Okay, we never synonym world wide web, that is www, to the internet. The www, that is the world wide web, we call it simply web, is a collection of different websites we can access through the internet. In fact, internet is not actually owned by any single person or organization. It is a very, you can say, a very broader thing. It is not a any single thing that is owned by any single person or organization. Now move on to our next topic, that is uses of internet. Kids, by using internet we can communicate with anyone sitting at any corner of the world easily with the use of email, Facebook, WhatsApp, or any other media. Okay, with the internet it is possible to access almost any information, communicate with anyone in the world, and do much more. Okay, kids, when someone says a computer is online, that means that computer system is connected to the internet. So when a computer is connected to the internet, it is another way of saying that we are online. Okay, we can do many other things too on the internet, such as we can play online games, we can watch videos, we can listen to music. Okay, we can shop from home, and many more we can do through the use of internet. Kids, you can see the logo of Wikipedia, the very famous encyclopedia that is available on our internet, and the symbol of Amazon. While using Wikipedia, we can find any type of information quickly by using the internet. And Amazon is the online store. We can shop from home by using Amazon also. Okay, now let's discuss some advantages of internet. Kids, as we know, internet covers almost every aspect of life one can think of. Okay, here we will now discuss about some of the advantages of internet. First of all, internet allows communication. As I have discussed, internet allows us to communicate with the people sitting at remote location. Okay, suppose if you are sitting in your home, you can communicate to your any dear ones sitting at any corner of the world. There are various types of apps available on the webs that use internet as a medium of communication, such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. Even email is the one of the oldest and universal ways to communicate and share information over the internet. Now, next one is source of information. Kids, one can search for any kind of information over the internet. Suppose information regarding technology, health and science, social study, geographical information like information technology, products, etc., can be served with the help of a search engine. Kids, search engine, the greatest search engine in today's era is Google search engine. If you can type anything over the Google, we can find information regarding that within a fraction of a second. Okay, apart from communication and source of information, internet also serves a medium of entertainment, kids. Okay, following are the various modes of entertainment over the internet, such as we can play online games. I know everybody likes to play online games today, for example PUBG, Free Fire, etc. Songs, we can listen to online songs. Also, we can watch videos through YouTube. We can watch online television also. Okay, internet also allows us to use many services. I have also told you email, that is the very common thing. We use Gmail to email someone. Then internet banking, online shopping. I have already told you about Amazon, Flipkart. You can sit at home and buy any product that you want. Then online bill payment, online ticket booking such as railway, then flight book, ticket booking, everything can be done through online. Kids, the last one is internet provides the concept of electronic commerce that allows the business deals to be conducted on electronic system, that is called e-commerce. Bringing the business in electronic form is done through internet, that is called e-commerce. Okay, kids, now internet has proved to be a very powerful source of energy in almost every field. There exist many disadvantages too. So let's come up to the topic, disadvantages of internet. So the first thing is virus can easily be spread to the computers that are connected to the internet. Kids, virus attack is very common through internet. It may cause damage to your system and it can delete important data that are saved in your computer system. Through internet, there are always some chances to lose personal information such as name, address, credit card numbers, okay, some important documents. Therefore, one should be very careful while sharing such information. Another disadvantages of internet is the spamming. SPAMMING, spamming. Spamming corresponds to the unwanted emails in bulk. These emails serve no purpose and leads to obstruction to the entire computer system. So this is the very dangerous. Spamming is very dangerous and very important disadvantages of the internet. Okay, we have discussed what is internet, uses of internet, advantages and disadvantages of internet. You should go through this topic at least once. Read this through your book, and I will share your classwork during the class time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.